In this demo, I'll be showing you how vectors can be used to organize similar data within your code. I'll be creating a program that tracks test scores. So to get started, I'll create a struct, and I'll just call it test, and we'll have a score, and we'll set it to be a 32-bit integer. I will then create a vector, so my scores, and that's going to be a vector. And we're going to add some scores to this vector. So we'll have a test score. We will use a percent scale, so we'll have 90, and we'll add a couple more. We'll have an 88, a 77, and a 93. So there's our test scores. If I want to display each score, I can use the for-in keywords to go through each test score and display it. So I'm going to type for each test in my scores. I'm going to call the print line macro, and I'll say score equals the test.score. With for loops, you can name this variable anything you like. Usually something descriptive is best, as with all other variables. This must be a collection. Our collection in this case is a vector, and it consists of 4 items, or 4 elements. Within the for loop, we have a printline macro that's going to print out the test.score. We know that test is a type of test because we created it here. And we know that the test has a field called score, as shown here. And so if we print and run this program, we should see the 4 scores listed out in the same exact order as we indicated in the code. Vectors always maintain the same order, so they should print out 90, 88, 77, and 93. Let's give it a go. And as we can see, we have 90, 88, 77, and 93. This concludes the demo on vectors. I'll see you in the next presentation.